Let's continue using Excel to solve problems. This is the global warming example, and from the question, we know that 45% of Americans believe global warming is a fact, and we did a survey of 1,004 randomly choosing Canadians, and then 532 of them believe global warming. And the question is, we want to test if the two proportions will be the same, or we say Canadian proportions is the same as the Americans. So the hypothesis test, we do the null hypothesis HO or H0 P equal to 0.45, and alternative hypothesis, we want P not equal to 0.45, because in this question we want to see if there is any difference between these two proportions. And test statistics, we already calculate the point estimation of Canadians is equal to 0.53, and then we did calculate the Z value, which is equal to 5.09. And now we continue use the proportion test templates in Excel to solve this question. So this is the result from previous example. Just clear inputs, and then click OK and OK. So that's basically clear all the inputs, and the output is just no values. So we enter these problems for the global warming. We know the sample size is 1,004, and the success, only we say 532 of them believe in global warming, and we want to compare with the proportion. This is American proportion. We know this one is 0.45, and alpha level in this question, we see the alpha level in this question is 0.01. We want a 99% confidence interval. And then hypothesis, for the null hypothesis, we want this one is equal, prime equal, so that's prime equal, give us equal sign in that cell. And alternative hypothesis, because we want to see not equal, so we just insert, just try to take a look of this one, insert, and the symbols, so you can see we have symbols not equal. So not equal, that's basically will indicate, we will read this test p-value is two-sided, so two-tailed p-value. So we get a result. Now we interpret these results. We get the Z test value is 5.0876, approximately equal to 5.09, and then two-tailed p-value that give us 3.624. But remember, we have the look at the back. That's the basically to the e to the negative 0.7. So that's really small values, 0.0000003624. So this value, that's basically indicates our p-value is close to 0, and our lower boundary, higher boundary of the 99% confidence interval is equal to 0.489 to 0.570. So we can see because the p-value is really small, and we switch back to the notes, and this one is just so our conclusion, because the p-value is 0.000, which indicates that's value smaller than alpha, we reject HO, the null hypothesis, and then we support the alternative hypothesis. So we have strong evidence to suggestion that the proportion of Canadians who believe in global warming is significantly different from the proportion of Americans who believe it. And continue with the confidence intervals where they calculate these two values. And these two values you can see, because this range from 0.49 to 0.57, which is all above 0.45. So that means in this interval does not contain the 0.45 value. So that's also indicate there is a significant difference in Canadians who believe in global warming other than the Americans. Thank you.